What's up YouTube? Back at it again with a new video. If you haven't liked it already, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. But today we're going to be doing something a little different. I have my Ford Fusion right here, the 2.0 EcoBoost. I'm going to put a cool air intake on it. It is a nice K&N one. So I have it sitting right here. I was a little kid and I already wanted to open the box the day I got it, so I had to open it to see what's inside. And of course it did come with a sticker, so we're set. Right now I'll actually show you really quick on how it sounds stock. So I'm gonna start it up right now and show you guys what happens here. I do have to tell you I have a blow-off valve on this car, so I'm gonna give it a little rev. You're gonna hear a lot more noise than stock, but it's gonna sound different once I put the intake on. That's what it sounds like stock. If you guys are interested in seeing how it turns out, please give it a thumbs up, like I said, and consider subscribing if you want to see more content. Right now we're building a Turbo Cavalier. That's coming out pretty good. We're going to be driving that thing soon, so you guys should expect that shortly. But first I want to put this bad boy on it. Okay, so I got to figure out how this all comes apart. I know how to take this off and all that. I know I gotta pull this sensor. Oh, I gotta pull the whole thing out. Okay, so let's see. So I got some tools laying around. So I'm gonna start loosening up everything and then start installing the new intake. Alright, maybe I can't leave that there. Alright, I'm gonna start by loosening up all the little clamps here. Alright, let's see if this comes off. Oh yeah. Alright, this is the stock one. Let's put the new one on. So in the K&N box, we got the K&N 2. That goes right here. It's nice. So we also, of course, have the K&N filter. So we're gonna put that on soon. Got a bunch of hardware here. Actually exactly what I need right now, so I'm gonna hold that. And we're gonna start hooking up these sensors. I gotta get this one out. This way I can put it into the new tube. And I need that hook up. Get some hardware in here. So it's not a bad job at all. It's actually very simple. I'll probably get this done in like 5 minutes. Really all you need is a socket set and a screwdriver, maybe a flathead. All right, I'm gonna take this crusty filter out here. Ugh, need that. We'll put this box in, see what this looks like. I think it's just like this. Oh yeah, sits right on top of it. Oh, it fits good too. I just lock it in, I think. It's pretty cool right there. So, ooh. This is what the box looks like sitting in there. I'm literally just trying to mess with this little sensor here, try to get that out. And I can't get this wire out of the hole here. So I'll be playing with this for a minute to get that out. But as soon as I do, I'll start installing this. I can literally put this on right now if I wanted to. But I'm just gonna try to work on this. Then I'm gonna install it all together and then we'll see how she sounds. Okay, this is what the little air intake sensor looks like. I also cut myself trying to get it out. It was kind of a pain to get out because I was twisting the wrong way. Also because I'm an idiot. Since I got this out, it should be able to just go oh god, go right in this, but I'm gonna have to figure out how that works now. I think there's a little thing inside to make it fit right, so I'll install this sensor real quick and then I'll start installing everything else. So unfortunately that hole is just a little bit too small, so I got a 3/4 wood bit to drill the hole because I don't have one of those right there. So I'm gonna turn on my vacuum, drill the hole out a little bit so I can fit this stupid sensor in so I can make this work. I am determined to get this going today. Aha, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Just a little fabrication, she gets working, so now I can plug this in. Right now I'm gonna start installing the rest of this real fast and I'll get it done. I get this little filter boy on here, see what's going on. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Look at that. Nice. All right, let's, I don't want to touch this too much. But that bad boy, it says K&N right on there. This is what the finished product almost, I still got to get the cover on and everything. But this is pretty much what the finished product looked like. Got it all installed. Now we're going to start it up and see what she sounds like. I'm gonna get this cover on real fast too. All right, we're gonna get this first start going right now. See what she sounds like. sounds insane. I'm gonna put the hood down and see if it makes a difference. Oh yeah. Alright, we're gonna go for a quick drive and I'll see how it actually sounds when I'm driving because it makes different noises. So we'll go for a quick ride and I'll take you with me. Let's go for a quick ride. Also give it a little rev. Woohoo! Man, that's crazy. Alright, let's see how this goes. Well, it doesn't help if I put it in neutral. Just go around. Yeah, it sounds kind of crazy actually. Oh my god. Put it in sport mode. Let's rip it. Okay, I might have a little more torque. Holy sh! Oh my god! It sounds aggressive downshifting. Very windy day, so my car feels super weird. It's getting pushed around. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I think it did give it a little more power, like a little more torque. I can't explain it, but I keep pulling and pulling. Like I never felt that from this car. Oh, and it sounds mean. She sounds like she wants to go. If you guys are considering getting a K&N intake on your 2.0 Ecotec Fusion, or they even have them for the Focus as well, I recommend it. I highly recommend it. Oh, it sounds super aggressive. But I highly recommend, it feels like it has more torque. I'm gonna get back to my house, but I do highly recommend at least looking into it. The installation wasn't hard at all. And well, it was a little bit for my car. Mooch has the same thing on his car right now. He didn't have to drill, I did. I think it's just because I have a different year. He has a 2013, I have a 2016. But I'm gonna leave this video here. It's gonna be a little bit shorter. I'm definitely going back to doing the Turbo Cavalier, probably my next video, or I don't know what's going on yet, but I'm gonna leave it here. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace. Different. I hate this. Why can't I? Why? What's up, YouTube? Oh, this has to be a good thumbnail.